Hello there, I'm Saeed Khan from affiliateship.com, and today's video I'm going to talk about depending on a single traffic source is very risky for your business. Okay, so depending on relying on a single traffic source could be risky for your affiliate business because you're kind of putting all your eggs in one basket. Okay, so let's say you advertise on places like Google, Bing, Pinterest, maybe, Facebook. So it's traffic that's controlled and coming from um, sorry, traffic that's coming from a third-party source, right? So what if this platform changes something in their algorithms or changes their policy or even shuts down or something? Then your business could suffer a massive loss, okay, as you're solely depending on this single traffic source. So unfortunately, changes and events like this have happened in the past, and businesses have literally shut down overnight and experienced loss, a lot of loss, and loss on traffic and loss on revenue to their websites. So even if you're receiving SEO or organic traffic, there's no guarantee that your website will remain, ranking in, higher positions, for any period of time, as it's into control of the search engine companies that, serve the search engines. So therefore, in order to make sure that you minimize the chances of loss, always have multiple traffic sources that you can leverage on and not rely on a single traffic source. Okay, so this is so that when one traffic source suddenly stops performing on your offer, then at least you have other traffic sources working for you and bringing in visitors to your website. And when I say multiple, it doesn't have to be hundreds of traffic sources, because it's going to be difficult to manage working on them, although having lots of traffic sources may do wonders for your business. Due to time constraints, obviously you can't be, advertising loads of places because you simply, there's not enough time in a day, right? I mean, having like some backup or even failover traffic sources running alongside your main one that you're using. Okay, so if you use an analogy for aircraft, for example, I think in many aircrafts they have twin engines on them. So two engines, if one fails, the plane can still safely fly with a single engine for a period of time. So similarly, it's a good idea to have at least two traffic sources running, simultaneously. Ideally, you want a combination of paid and free traffic sources so that you can benefit as much as possible from organic and paid, traffic and advertising. And I understand that there's advice out there from experts, to focus on one traffic source at a time. And I agree with this also. I agree, because you don't want to be all over multiple traffic sources, as I mentioned, at the same time. Otherwise, you'll have difficulty mastering each one due to time constraints. So, however, what I would do is, once I know my way around one traffic source and it's bringing me the results that I want, I'll explore another traffic source, and have at least 2 to 3 traffic sources running, in my traffic generation arsenal. I also believe in omnipresence marketing, okay, which I learned initially from Grant Cardone. If you haven't heard of the Grant, top man, expert in sales, marketing, social media marketing. I'm sure you've probably seen him on YouTube. Omnipresence marketing is basically having your marketing message everywhere possible, ideally where your ideal customers are likely to be. A typical example, Coca-Cola, right? They're everywhere, right? In every shop, wherever you go, very close to you. If you want a Coke, there's a shop nearby, they'll probably sell Coke. Okay, so they're basically everywhere. Okay, omnipresent. So that's just a basic example of omnipresence marketing, where your products are literally everywhere. Okay, so when you market with multiple traffic sources, you can also implement some omnipresence, a bit of omnipresence, shall I say, marketing, where your business and products are generating awareness on multiple platforms. And the more times people get exposed to your message, your affiliate products, and your company, of course, the more chance that you have of generating traffic leads, affiliate commissions. Another thing to mention is that whilst utilizing your chosen traffic sources, as a result, you'll also be building another traffic source that you will own, which is your email list traffic. I mean, this great traffic source potentially will be consisting of new audiences that you can acquire for your list building, prospects that are interested in your products but not quite purchased them, and also buyers that have also purchased, you know, from your recommendations and will, you know, maybe buy, you know, in future from you again. So if you want to read a little more on the importance of email list traffic, it's one of the best traffic sources. You can check out an article I'll put in the description of this YouTube description below. So your email list traffic will usually become your first go-to traffic source when you want to initially promote anything, especially to your existing audience. Okay, and you can access these audiences at the click of a button by simply launching your email autoresponder app, write an email and hit the send button. Okay, that's the power of email list building and email list traffic. Hence why everyone's banging on about build your list, because your list is your number one asset. Okay, so on the topic of traffic, if you want to learn some advanced traffic generation strategies, then I want to share with you a fantastic, awesome, you know, free workshop, traffic generation workshop from my mentor Vick, a multiple seven-figure earner in the online space. He's literally generated hundreds of thousands of, you know, visitors to his office. Specifically in this workshop, he reveals his traffic conversions blueprint that enabled him to get over 550,000 visitors to his office in a single day. Okay, over 500 visitors to his in a single day. Okay, and that's what he reveals in his workshop. If you want to access the training, it's totally free. I will put a link in the description below. Actually, I'll also put it on the screen in a bit. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for now. Not to rely on a single traffic source, have at least 2 traffic sources running, so you know you're not relying upon one traffic source. Okay, so I'll put the links that I mentioned in the YouTube description below. But for this advanced training, if you're interested, check it out. I will put a link right now on the screen. First of all, if you want to access some free affiliate resources, visit affiliateship.com/free, and I've put some resources, you know, together for you if you want to access them. Also, if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And if you'd like to access the advanced traffic generation training, in which my mentor Vick reveals how he managed to get 551,219 visitors in a single day to his office. Okay, over 550,000 visitors in a single day. You want to check out this training, it's totally free. Visit affiliateship.com/mtv. I'll also put the link in the YouTube description below, and also some other links. Also what I've discussed in this video, I'll put it in article form. You can read it as well in your own time. Okay, so that's it for now, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.